Today I'm going to show you how to upload receipts in QuickBooks Online. First, sign in to QuickBooks Online and open the correct company file. Make sure you have a clear receipt image or PDF saved on your computer. From the left side menu, click Accounting, then open the Receipts tab. This is where QuickBooks lets you upload and review receipt files. On the Receipts page, find the Upload area. Locate the receipt file on your computer, then drag and drop it into the upload box. You can usually upload common file types like JPG, PNG, or PDF. Make sure the receipt is clear, not cut off, and shows the full total, date, vendor, and tax details if available. After uploading, give QuickBooks a moment to scan the receipt. QuickBooks may automatically read details like the vendor name, date, amount, and taxes. Once the scan is complete, open the receipt details or field editor. Review the information QuickBooks entered. Check the vendor, date, total amount, tax, and category. If anything is wrong, click the field and correct it manually. Also, make sure the receipt image is attached and readable. Before saving, review the receipt details one more time. Once everything looks correct, save or add the receipt to your books. And that's how to upload receipts in QuickBooks Online in 2026.